Got some sleepy birds out here because of the cold. Those sleepy birds are bird number 17, guys. Northern shoveler. I see some that are moving around, but these guys are so cool. The way their faces are built, and the drakes have really pretty coloration. Very, very fun birds to photograph and record. So I'm gonna go see if I can find some that are a little bit more active to record for you guys. But how awesome. Our bird number 17, the northern shoveler. Well, we actually came right back to the spot we were photographing this morning, right when the sun rose, to get some better footage of those pintails, and that's actually what I was recording when I looked down and saw these guys. Those are killdeer, 3 killdeer, and that is going to be our bird number 18 for 2023, you guys. The killdeer. How cool they're just basking in the sun. They're usually pretty shy birds, especially when you're in a vehicle, but right now they are perfectly content just soaking up that sun. So I'm gonna get some video and hopefully some decent photos of these guys, and also some video of all the other little waterfowl that are around here, because I see some other stuff moving around. So I'm hopeful that we can get some more birds. But that's bird number 18, you guys, the killdeer. I had stopped in this really kind of separated part of the refuge where it's really quiet to listen to the birds, because sometimes the best times when I find birds is when I'm just listening for them. And sure enough, it paid off, because when I was sitting here listening, I heard the call of a bird that's pretty common, but it's nice to find them out here in the wild, and that's our bird number 19, you guys, and that's the mourning dove. And the mourning dove has a very signature call, and it was calling in these thick bushes over here, and there's a ditch right off the edge. You guys can't see right where the color changes to brown. It drops down into a ditch, and they were down there. And while I waited, they flew up into the trees, and I was able to get a little bit of video and maybe one good photo of one of them solitary against the blue sky, which is really pretty. But that's gonna be our bird number 19. Sometimes being patient And just using your ears pays off when it's looking for birds. So let's keep moving around, you guys, and see what else we can't find, because there's a lot of stuff calling. I hear a lot of things that I know we need to photograph, but they're tucked away in these bushes. But let's see if we can't keep getting lucky. We got another one, you guys. Came back to a spot where I was recording some shovelers early this morning, and I was like, well, maybe I can get some footage of them in the daytime now. But I actually found something else sitting here, and it's our bird number 20. And it's these guys right here you see feeding up on the bank. Those are American widgeons, you guys. They were in the water right when I drove by, but moved up to the bank when I came close. So I'm gonna see if I can sneak out there and get some decent footage so I can show you guys the beautiful, beautiful green color they have on their head. Kind of similar to like a mallard drake, but not really. They kind of look like a mixture between a pintail and a mallard, which makes them super, super cool. But that's our bird number 20, you guys. We are quickly stacking these birds up today. Alrighty, let me go see if I can get some footage. Well, I had stopped right here real quick because there was a bird, a raptor in particular, that we haven't photographed, taking a bath down there in the water. But unfortunately, by the time we had come around, that bird was gone. But there was another bird there, a very hard bird to photograph, perfectly perched on a little branch eating insects. And that is our bird number 21, you guys, for the year. And that is the black phoebe. I've been trying to get video of this bird for a very long time, all of last year pretty much, and I haven't been able to do it, but we got it today. This bird kept returning back and forth to this same perch with insects, and we were able to watch it eat quite a few little bugs in just the few 30 seconds that we were able to get it. But how awesome. We stopped for one bird and ended up getting a different one, but still, that's a new one for us for this quest. So bird number 21, you guys, the black phoebe.